Morning everyone, my name is Jenny. For those of you joining me for the first time, my passion is health and wellness and helping people with their skin. Atlanta's starting to open up, and having lived in a completely cocooned lifestyle for the last 2 months now to things opening up is rather stressful. For those of you who don't know, I recently moved from South Africa to Atlanta, and I live here with my family. So as things have started to open up, stress levels have become sky high for everybody, and just trying to find the new normal within your life. Stress is not good for your skin, and high stress levels increases the adrenal glands, increases your cortisol levels, and with that, the breakdown of collagen and elastin fibers within the skin. So I decided this time around we're going to have some fun, and we are going to make a face mask. So this is Amy. Amy is 11 years old, and we are always looking for fun things to do. I have 3 girls. Amy is my youngest, and over this quarantine time we've been very keen to be in the kitchen. And so moms out there, this is a great fun activity for you to do with your kids, I suppose girls. And if you have boys, why not do it on yourself? So let's get started. We're going to first cut up half an avocado, or an avocado pear. Amy keeps correcting me because I say it wrong. Amy, how do you say it?
Avo,
But
in America it's called avocado.
Okay. And how do you say it? Like avocado?
Avocado.
Okay, so we're going to cut up half an avocado, squeeze the juice out of half a lemon, and then crack open an egg, but no egg yolk, only the egg white.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it in our blender and wait and see how it turns out. And you can get started. She's going to cut open the avo. I hope this is a yummy, delicious avo. In my previous YouTube, I was talking about these healthy fats and how important they are for your skin. Show everybody how beautiful this avo is. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect avo. Most of our fresh food comes from Fresh Harvest. Fresh farm delivery, delivered to our door on Tuesdays, supporting our locals. So avos are highly beneficial for your skin, great source of vitamins A, E and C for your skin. Our next ingredient is, brilliant, and you're doing such a great job, is we are going to cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice out of that lemon. Brilliant. Whoopsie. Okay. So this recipe is enough for 2 facial masks. Come on those muscles, keep working those muscles. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which is a great thing for your skin. Does a great job also on pigmentation, which none of these children have, but I've always been fighting. So this is all natural and good. And we're needing the juice to mix with the avos so it's not so thick. Add your lemon juice to your avocado slowly, don't waste any of the juice. Brilliant. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is our eggs. Okay, so
Tricky part.
Okay, for the kiddies that are doing it, I suggest you get a cup and you let them break the egg and separate the egg yolk from the egg white themselves. The nice thing about doing it in a cup is if there is a mistake, you can put it aside. Whereas if you do it directly into your mix, we could have to cut up another avo, and that would be a terrible waste.
And use more lemon too.
Yes. So here we go, Ames. Show us how it's done.
I see egg yolk.
That's perfect. Okay. Okay, turn it upside down on the other way. Don't let the egg yolk come out. Oops. Okay. So there we go. We have a perfect example of getting the egg yolk in. Don't worry, Ames. We're going to do it second time round. So,
Second time round.
okay, take 2, guys. Go, Ames. Make that little hole. Let the egg white come out. Perfect. Well done, Ames. Okay, so we now have separated 1 egg. Egg white is great for tightening the skin, brilliant for pores. We're going to add that to our Avo lemon juice. Perfect. And I'm going to just blend it and then we'll come back shortly. Okay, well done, Ames. She managed to put our recipe into our NutriBullet. We blended it for about how long?
45 seconds.
Okay, yeah, it was about 45 seconds and it's come out perfectly. We've got 1 little cup, or I'd say that's about half a cup. And we are going to go and get ready to have a bit of a pamper spa afternoon.
Yeah.
So Amy and I have set up a little spa. We've put white towels on the couches and I'm going to put a headband on Amy. Okay, here we go. Cold, nice, refreshing. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh dear, is it too cold? Well, that's
No,
one
it's
thing, it's
fine.
refreshing. So we've been lying here for about 20 minutes with our mask on and we're just about to go and take it off, but I wanted to ask Amy how she enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed it because it felt relaxing and refreshing. And it was really soothing and I wasn't like uptight, but I was just relaxed.
So we've had great fun. We're going to go and
Yeah.
take our mask off with some wipes and then give you the results in a few minutes. So we have finished taking our mask off and I have to say this was so much fun. We have laughed so much this afternoon, especially trying to take that mask off. We used a couple of wipes, but my skin actually feels gorgeous. It feels really soft and
Smooth.
so we highly recommend doing this. Great quality time with your kids, or if you want to just have a pamper on your own. It was really special and brought lots of smiles to the room. So definitely a good de-stress. Please like and subscribe and let us know if you did this mask at home.
And if you like this mask, comment below.
Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Because it felt really refreshing and it made my skin feel smooth, even though my mask is even.
You can just say it again. Made my skin.
It made my skin feel smooth, and I was really.
It makes your skin feel smooth. You haven't even taken it off yet. How did? Oh. Okay.